Wow. See, this one's like pretty much alive, and then this one, this is how it looks when it's dead. That's pretty cool. Kind of look like piece of the rock that's been chipped off, but no, those are actually dead lichen, like this guy right there.
Pine needles make pretty good toothpicks.
That's cool. Hey, what's up? So as we heading towards Indian Rock, that's right there, we're walking all along through here, and right at this point we heard a rattlesnake, and we couldn't see it in time, but he most likely went underneath between those two rocks there. Would have been interesting to see, maybe try to catch.
Yeah, right.
But off to Indian Rock.
We'll be right. First bit of falling, so he's just scraping the skin off my legs.
We missed this turn right here, so we had to backtrack and finally looked down and we found it. So we're here at Indian Rock, and this is pretty amazing. There's like little tunnels or something like that, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna check around the rock, you know, the explorer that I am. Have to see what's on the other side of the rock. Nick is gonna, I guess he's gonna stand by over there.
Well, I'm not going down there.
Alright. Here I go. Let you know if I get there. Peace. And this is a jump. And this is another jump. Jump over there. Go on top of that rock up there.
I told you to sit on the goddamn rock. Sit up there. Sit on the rock now.
Nick, you gotta check that out, man. So we're leaving Indian, what was it? Indian Head?
Indian Rock.
Indian Rock. We're leaving Indian Rock. And we're heading back to the main path, which will take us to the high point, which was our first destination. And it was pretty cool to stop by Indian Rock and check it out. So if anything, later. Nick, what do you think about Indian Rock?
It doesn't look like an Indian. I don't know. Maybe you have to go to the other hills to look at it and see an Indian. But when we get to the top, we'll turn around and take one more look.
Constructed by Bill Marsh, 1952 to 2008. May he dwell on these mountains forever. And over here, I gave him some go-go juice. A wet spot on the rock. Guess he could have some go-go juice. We're just here taking a break on this nice bench here. And we were eating some berries along the way. We still heading towards the, what was it called?
The summit.
The summit, but that was the other name for it?
Top of the something.
Well, somewhere up there.
I remember it.
Yeah. And it's nice, you know. It's very nice out here. It's hot. You got this breeze. You got the birds singing, the bugs flying. Sounds like little airplanes flying by your ear. That's all you hear. And yeah, we're just gonna take a break here, alright? Enjoy the view. So we decided to turn around because we got another task ahead of us, and that's
About a 12-mile walk.
back to my sister's house. And this time she ain't gonna rescue us. This is something we gotta do on our own.
Can't hitchhike.
Yeah, she's going on a little party again, and she told us from the get, yo, there's no rescue now. So
This is you're on your own.
So it looks like we have to get to the high point some other time, which is okay, because there's another reason to come out here and explore this park. So, peace. So we exited Sam's Point, and we're gonna head back to 52. We're gonna go 52 east. It's about 11 miles, give or take a few. It's about maybe 4 hours walk, and hopefully we'll make it. With that, we out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time.
We left at 5:40. I expect to get home around 9:40. Dead tired with 2 6-packs.
Peace.
It's just grass. You felt the horse's muzzle, haven't you?
Nah.
It's soft. Isn't that soft? The softest thing you ever felt? Soft
Wow.
as a baby's bottom, a horse's muzzle.
This is fat. Hey, you're a beautiful one. Look at this one. Alright, they don't smell your hands like dogs, huh?
No, they look at your eyes.
Wow. It's okay, it's okay.
Game's over.
Wow, look at these guys.
I like the stripes for the legs. It's like a part zebra.
Oh, he's marked.
Yeah, that's what do they call that? A brand. It's branded.
You do that better. Do it again.
I grew on horses.